Hi there, how's it going? Welcome to our channel. Here is a place for providing healthy and quick recipes around the world for you. Let's dive into today's recipe.
An easy way to make baba ghanoush. Today, I will show you how to make delicious baba ghanoush dip at home. To start, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Poke holes in the eggplants with a fork. Place the eggplants on a baking sheet and roast for 30 to 40 minutes. Let the eggplants cool before peeling off the skin. Mash the roasted eggplant flesh in a bowl. Add minced garlic, tahini, lemon juice, and salt to the bowl. Mix everything until well combined. Drizzle olive oil on top and sprinkle with chopped parsley. Refrigerate the baba ghanoush for at least 30 minutes before serving. Farm-to-table mastery. Culinary artistry in the farmhouse kitchen. A journey to naturally delicious cooking. Thank you for watching. Afsan Farm Media Production.
Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Welcome to our channel where we bring you delicious recipes. Today, we'll be making a classic Italian dessert called panna cotta. Panna cotta is a creamy, light, and silky dessert that's perfect for any occasion. To make panna cotta, you will need heavy cream, sugar, and gelatin. Begin by blooming the gelatin in cold water for about 5 minutes. Heat the cream and sugar in a saucepan until hot but not boiling. Add the bloomed gelatin to the hot cream mixture and stir until fully dissolved. Pour the mixture into ramekins or molds and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Once set, gently run a knife around the edges of the panna cotta. Invert it onto a plate and garnish with fresh berries or a drizzle of caramel. Thank you for watching.